the question. I think that the question is intended to be provided answers in two prongs. One is relating to resources, and the other is probably relating to processes within the Ministry of Education. But anyway, I'll just provide some indications on the monitoring of teachers. Mr. Speaker, sir, as we all know, there's close to 900 schools located around Fiji, given their geographical location and the advantages and disadvantages of their location, the reachability, the connectivity. So one of the how we monitor the schools is through the one is through the head of school. They are qualified and also they know the basic teachings and the learning plans that they should set out in terms of preparing for their respective classes in their respective school, despite how far they are from the main centers, main headquarters. They are expected to perform a very crucial role in the monitoring and also assisting the teachers and students in their respective schools. Mr. Speaker, sir, in terms of the teaching hours of the respective schools for early childhood, a minimum of 20 hours is required per week. Primary school, 35 hours per week. And secondary school, 37.5 hours per week is expected to all the teachers, Mr. Speaker, sir. Every school has its own unique ethos and programs in place, and their programs revolve around learning and teaching. We place a lot of emphasis on the trust that we give to the respective heads of school and the teachers, given the very crucial role that they play in nurturing the students in their respective schools. Mr. Speaker, sir, at the early childhood level, the ministry has taken proactive measures to provide ECE children with a stimulating learning environment and encourages exploration, creativity, and social interaction. Also, by promoting play-based learning and personalized attention, the ministry aims to keep our youngest learners engaged and excited about coming to school each day. For primary and secondary levels, the ministry recognizes the importance of maintaining conducive learning environment that fosters academic growth and personal development. The curriculum is designed to be inclusive, engaging, and relevant, catering the diverse needs and the interest of our students. So the ministry understands the very crucial role that teachers play in shaping the education of our students, and we committed to give the necessary support also. Some of these include cluster-organized professional development sessions, collaborating with teacher training institutions in the specific areas of STEM subjects, so provision of resources and training to keep them motivated and engaged in their profession. Thank you, sir.